So our next topic is problem solving using models. Already we have done this problem solving using models in cost price, selling price, also using models we have done many questions. Okay, so in this exercise, in our next exercise, I am going to start this topic only. By using this topic, means by using models we can solve many questions. Okay, so come to exercise 3.5, how to do using multiplication or using division and using the models, how we can do the question. I am going to discuss in the exercise itself. Okay, so come to exercise 3.5, question number 1. You have to solve with the help of models. Already it is given, that means you have to make the models in your copy, and this question you have to do in your copy. So do it in your classwork copy. Shirin can read 27 pages of her book in 1 hour. How many pages can she read in 7 hours? So what is given? Shirin can read 27 pages of book in 1 hour. That means in 1 hour how much she read? 27 pages. So we have to find that how many pages she can read in 7 hours. So if already you know, if it is given for 1 hour, we can easily find for 7 hours by using what? Multiplication. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 27 with 7. That means we have to make how many boxes? We have to make 27 boxes. How many times? 7 times. So like that we can make one row. Okay. So we have to write 27 boxes 7 times. So we can add 27 7 times, or we can multiply 27 with 7, so that we can find the answer that total how many pages she can read in 7 hours. Okay, so let us do this question. So see, this is the condition which is given. I have taking 1 bar. Let us take 1 bar to be 1 hour. Okay, to be 1 hour. So 27 pages of a book read in 1 hour. Okay, 27 pages of a book read in 1 hour will be what? This one. So 7 hours, in 7 hours she will read how much? We have to make 7 boxes. So like that we will make 7 boxes and we will write 27 in it. Okay. So this is what? This is repeated addition. Already you know, repeatedly when we are adding, we can use it. Multiplication also we can use multiplication. Multiplication is the easiest way. Okay, so what we write, what I will write now. So multiply 27 with what? 7, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 boxes are there. Okay. So 27 into 7, it will be 189. Okay. So in 7 hours she will read 189 pages of the book. So you have to write the sentence. Okay. Therefore Shirin can, you have to write like this. Therefore Shirin can read 189 pages of the book in 7 hours. Okay. So next I am going to discuss question number 3. An office paid rupees. Okay. Question number 2 is same, that is you have to do multiplication in question number 2 also. So try to do it. I am doing question number 3 because we have to do division here. Okay. So in division the model will be different. Okay. So come to question number 3. An office paid rupees 6,260 for 5 new desks. That means the cost of 5 new desks is given, that is 6,260, and we have to find the cost of one desk. That means this is given how much did each desk cost. Okay, they are asking to find that how much did each desk cost. So see, this is the model I have drawn. See, this bar belongs to what? Rupees 6260. This is the cost of 5 new desks, and we need to find the cost of one desk. So we can ask the question like that: how many 5s in 6260? That means we have to divide 6260 into 5 equal parts, because we have to find the cost of one desk. That's why we have to make 5 equal parts of that bar which is drawn. Okay, so now we will find the cost of one desk. So see, again we have to make another model. So see the second model. Numbers is given, that is quantity is given. See, cost of 5 new desk is given, and that means 5 they are what? They have already written that there are 5 new desks. Okay, so we can make 5 equal boxes. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Now here what will be the cost of one new desk? We have to find it. So we can easily find by using division. So we have to divide 6260 by 5. So let us do it. So the cost will be what? So we have to divide, that is rupees 6260 by 5. So by using division, already you know how to divide. So you can divide. So see, what is the cost of one new desk? That is rupees 1252. That is 1252. So you have to write the answer finally. That is the cost of one new desk will be 1252. So like that you have to make 2 models. One for the cost of 5 new desks. Next you have to write. See here, one more type of division. Division will be there using model. You have to show it. That will be what? If the cost is given and you have to find the quantities. That means here the quantity is given. That is, quantities are 5. Total 5 number of desks are there. But sometimes quantity will be absent and cost will be given for one. Then in that case also you have to divide, but you have to find the quantities that you are buying. Okay. So in that case also you have to do division, but in that case this box will be filled with what? The cost of one desk, and you don't know the quantities. That means this you have to you don't have to make the remaining boxes, but because we don't know how many quantities are there. Okay, like here we are making 5 boxes because here the number of quantities are given. That's why we are making 5 number of boxes. Okay, so we can do one more type of question. So next question I am going to discuss from page number 52B. You can see it is not from the exercise. Okay, this is a different type of question, because here this type of question is not in exercise. So that's why I am discussing. See what is given in B number. After that I am going to discuss question number 5 of exercise 3.5. Okay, so see in B. A flower seller has 216 strings of flowers. He wants to sell them in bunches of 8 string. How many bunches can he make? That means here quantity is not given. Quantity of the bunches. Okay, the number of bunches is not given, but it is given that in bunches there are 8 strings and the total number of strings of flower is 216. So see, you can see here the first bar. Okay, this is the first bar which is having what? 216 strings of flowers there. Okay, then what is given? In one bunch there are 8 flowers. Okay, in one bunch there are 8 flowers. That means you have to now you need to find the quantities. That means how many boxes will be there, like this. Okay, this you have to find. But in our previous question which we have discussed, that is question number 3, that in question number 3 we are given that what is the quantity of the desk that was given, and the total cost of the 5 desk was given. Okay, here this question is just opposite. In this question quantity is not given. Okay, the boxes, small boxes, how many number of boxes are there, this is not given, but in one bunch, that means in one bunch there are how many string? There are 8 strings. Okay, so now here also we have to do division only for finding the number of bunches. Okay, question is similar, you have to do division only, but here difference will be what? Quantity is not given, but in question number 3 quantity was given. Okay, so you have to see the slight differences, because this type of question you will get in your higher classes also. Okay, where you have to use division only, but the question will be slight different. Okay, so come to question number 5. Question number 4 you have to do it by yourself, because it is a multiplication question. It is similar question we have already discussed. Okay, so I am going to discuss question number 5. Okay, so what is given? See, Anaida finishes her homework on Sunday in 45 minutes. Okay, this is the time she used to give in your homework on Sunday, that is 45 minutes only. And on Saturday what she do? She gives 4 times of this time. 4 times of this time means you have to add 45 how many times? 4 times. She is giving 4 times as compared to Sunday. Okay, so on Saturday she is given 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 45. So here what is the question? See, how much time does she spend on homework on both days together? Both days together, that means you have to calculate the total time she is giving to her studies. So what we can do? We can add 45. How many times we have to add? Yes, here total 5 45s are there. So you can add 45 how many times? 5 times. Or what we can do? Yes, we can use multiplication. That means what we have to do? We have to multiply 45 with 5. We can get the answer easily in minutes. Then in minutes, if you get in minutes, you can easily convert it into hours by dividing it with by 60. Okay, so this question you can do afterwards. So please try to do it. You have to multiply 45 with 5. So try to do the remaining question, and you have to do the chapter checkup also. Please try to do it. Okay, so in next class I am going to discuss some of your doubts. Please, if you have any doubts, try to you can ask me in WhatsApp. So next class will be a doubt class. So now just check chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Practice all the chapters, and if you have any doubt, you write and you can send me. Then in next class I can make a doubt class. Okay, after that I am going to start the next chapter. Okay, so thank you for today.